This is the Mukkpet GL500. Very kind of them to send me this for review. Let's do a quick unboxing here and let's see what's inside the box. Very sturdy box. Pretty, like really sturdy, big staples, and unusual size for an e-bike. Oh, wow. Oh, that's really interesting. It's got like foam. Oh, it's like foam in place. Wow. That's really smart. So that's going to keep everything protected. So they're really going to trying to ensure that the bike and all its stuff inside it are not going to have any scratches. Maybe what I'll do is I'll lift this whole bag out, and if it takes the weight, we're good to go. Otherwise, I'm going to end up cutting the box around it. Let's see how it goes here.
I'm not strong enough.
You know what? I'm just going to cut it open. Wow, they've really gone to extra lengths to ensure that your e-bike comes without a scratch on it. Holy cow. I've never seen a bike this well packaged. This is crazy. Crazy good.
It also stands for crazy good.
Yeah, that's really impressive. Okay, so inside, a bunch of things I'm going to start pulling out, I think. We've got an owner's manual with some tools, a nice little Mukkpet bag. Put that aside for now. Feels like it might be a charging brick. Let's see. Yes, indeed. Oh, wow. Nice grounded 3-prong plug. Nice big charging brick. And it's a 2 ampere. So a 2 amp hour charging brick. So that should have no problems charging up the e-bike once it's ready to go. Huh. That's amazing. Like, take a look at this stuff. I've never seen an e-bike come like this. This is incredible. Like, this is all foam in place, protecting your new e-bike. As I said, I know I keep saying this, I've never seen this before, but this is amazing. Like, that means nothing is moving when it's in shipment. So there won't be a scratch on there. And then I can tell just by looking at the e-bike right now that it's got even more stuff, even more foam and Mopar packaging. Wow, that's so smart. Super, super smart. A little tougher to get out of the box.
You're not strong enough.
But man, at least now I know there's not going to be any damage whatsoever. So it's kind of cool. So the Mukkpet does come with a little pouch with some tools. It comes with a number 15 and number 13 wrench. It's got 3 Allen keys and a really nice full color instruction manual that's got like everything in here. So I'm just gonna it looks like I've done, like the hard part looks like just getting out of the box.
You're not strong enough, Bunny.
It looks to me like we have to unfold it now and then assemble the handlebar. Let's go find out if that's as easy as it looks. It looks pretty straightforward. I'm just gonna whip around now and just take off all of the little bits of foam, protective foam all over it. So the only part I'm not quite sure about is how it unfolds. There's an unfolding. Oh, there it is. Looks like that's where that folds into each other. There's probably a few more pieces I need to remove first. Again, more of this incredibly dense foam and packing foam. They've done a really nice job of just protecting your investment. Okay, there's just one more little zip tie here. I think if I cut that, that should release the front and rear. Yes, it does. Okay. I'm just going to lock that into place here. Well, it's easy to lock in. Well, there's a Oh, I love this. So everything's like basically put together already. You just have to unpack it. I'm gonna continue unpacking. Wow, that's amazing. The engineering on this thing is incredible. Love it. Let's reveal the handlebars. Wow, everything's put on. Fully adjustable seat. So I am blown away. I am absolutely blown away by this. It's huge fat tires. It's got a great big battery, super cushy seat. I mean, a whole bunch of things I'm liking about it. I mean, Shimano gears, even things like the wire here, this is all protected in a lovely foam, which is actually zippered up to protect it from the elements, but it looks cleaner this way. It's got keys here for locking down the battery itself. The display is pretty straightforward. I'm going to be doing a full review of this very soon. It's quite literally spring here now in Canada, so I'm going to be able to take this out, do a full review, and then get back to you whether or not this is big guy approved. But I mean, look at me. I'm 6 feet tall, 265 pounds, and man, if you were 6'2", 6'3", 6'4", I think this would be a great bike for you because it's so big. I love it. But if you're shorter, and we're gonna be able to test this out, my wife is only about 5'6". We're gonna be able to adjust it for her and adjust everything for her as well so that, hey, will it work for her too? I'm really looking forward to it. Step through, so it's gonna be really good for older people as well. You have to kick over the top. This is gonna be awesome. So I'm gonna go through now and just get everything set up. Just double check brakes, make sure all the bolts nice and tight, set everything up, charge it up, although it's 75% charged already. I'm really excited about this, and as you can probably tell, and again, I just want to reiterate, wow to that packaging. I've never seen anything like that before. Foam in place packaging for an e-bike, that's unheard of. And as a result, it arrives looking amazing.